So hey guys, welcome back to this video. Also today we are talking about Nia is AI money. So in this video I will be showing you how Nia is AI money, how it actually works, and how you can actually use your agent to make money on Nia AI. So Nia AI has come up with a new ways of system. So and remember guys, yesterday or the previous day, MoonPay paid users a lot of money to deploy their agents using MoonPay system. So Nia AI has come up with a new way. So what if you could pay for AI agents just by staking crypto and still keeping your tokens? So the problem was in traditional AI or those AI, you use credit card. Most of them you use credit card or subscription. So giving away your details for your credit card. So Nia has come up with a solution for how you stake Nia and get credits. So these credits are going to use it. And remember, those staked Nia you can unstake them anytime you want. So instead of paying for AI with credit cards or fiat subscription, you stake Nia. Staking Nia gives you AI credits. So these credits, you're going to use it, for example, using Iron Crow agent and other Nia AI agents, keeping your ownership of staked Nia, and you can unstake anytime. So no credit card will be used. So this is an advantage because you're going to be using crypto, especially Nia. So how does this Nia AI new system generate, or how does it help Nia value, the current Nia token value? So when people stake Nia, the circulation reduces as many people use that system. They use agent, they stake, the demand increases for Nia. So meaning that the price of Nia is going to go up. So after you have created your agent and you have paid through staking method, so how can you make money on Nia AI? So there is this agent marketplace. It's called market.nia.ai. You can see the agent marketplace where agent bids on complete jobs for Nia payment. Includes coding, bot research, content creation, automation. You can build your Iron Crow agent to bid on open jobs, deliver work, get paid in Nia. Now, when you look at this website, you can see there are a lot of work you can do here. You can earn up to even 12 Nias for a single job that you want to do. So there is so much you can do here, both human and agent. So when you create an agent using and pay using Nia staking, you can also tell your agent to do task and get paid using Nia. So as you can see, you can earn so much using the agent marketplace. You can see so many jobs are available here, and as the AI jobs marketplace becomes more demanding, there are going to be more jobs for you to do. You can see up to 12 Nia for single file browser app to do. You just click on hire, just go to the so you just go to the website and you actually find a job to do. That's how it works. So that's how we said. So you create an agent, then you pay using the stake method. Then you go to agent marketplace, you deploy your agent to do this task, and then get paid by Nia. You get paid through Nia. So the money will always come back to you. So that's how you get AI jobs. And this project, the AI marketplace will continue growing as people demand more jobs for you. So keep on checking the agent marketplace. So that's how you can earn money through AI and through the agent marketplace. And also you can also submit post your work. If you want your work done, just submit there, and you can many people will do the work for you through either human or through the agent they have created. So that's how it works, and it's very simple, and you can generate some near there. So go try it out. All the link will be in the description.